Yeah? No.
81,000.
Oh, I got an extra 5 there. 17,000. Did you have 3 zeros?
Oh, I didn't have.
Okay. It's $47.95. Now she earns 10% royalty. So how do I change 10% into a decimal?
We'll go right to the left.
Yes, which is the same thing as dividing by 100. So it's 0.1. And then how do I figure out what 10% of this amount is? Casey, what's of? I'm going to say half of something. What are we doing? Of. What does of mean? If I tell you what's half of the people in this room? You're multiplying by 1/2. That's what you're doing. You're dividing by 2, but yes, you're multiplying. Sorry. So, if you're receiving 10% of the sales on the book, that means we should multiply this amount by 0.1 or 10%. And that's the number that you were ending up with. So last year from the sale of her book, she made $81,515. I need to write a textbook. $81,000. Okay, questions? You don't have an earbud in, do you, Andrew? Thank you. Okay, so that's the first one. So royalty problems, you find out how much the total is made, and then you multiply that times whatever the percentage is. Just don't forget to change the percentage to a decimal. Okay, example 2. Again, don't feel like you have to write all this down. Allison sells cosmetics part-time from door to door. She is paid a monthly commission. She receives 11%, bless you, of her first $900 in sales, and then 17% of the balance of her sales. Last month, she sold $12.50 worth of cosmetics. How much commission did she earn last month? This is actually quite common. This is the way my husband was paid too. You get so much a percent of the profit or whatever up to a certain amount, and then you get more of a percent if you sell over that amount. So it's an incentive to sell more. So what we need to know is she sold a total of $12.50. And she gets 11% of her first $900 in sales. So I'm going to multiply that times 11%. But again, it can't be a percent. I've got to move the decimal over 2 places or divide by 100. Oops, tell me what you get. I think I messed up. Angela, how much?
What?
How much money did she get? 900 times 0.11.
99.
Okay, so she makes $99 on the first 900. Then she's going to get 17% of the rest. The balance would be the rest of her sales. So how do I figure out how much she sold more than 900? Yeah, subtract it from 12.50. So $350, she's going to get the higher percentage of. She's going to get 17% of $350. 17% divided by 100, 0.17. Kendra, tell me what you get when you multiply 350 times 0.17.
59.5.
Yep. And now how do I figure out how much total commission or how much money she made?
Add 99 and 59.50.
Yep. So she made $158.50 that month. Well, it doesn't seem like a lot, but remember, this is just a part-time job. She's just kind of doing this on the side. I say she, it did say. Yeah, Allison. So commission problems have a lot to do with percentages. You're going to move the decimals over. You're going to multiply by percentages. Example 3. Kate works in a dress factory that makes dresses for designer boutiques. She is paid a piecework rate. So she gets paid $85 per unit per piece produced, meaning per dress. Yesterday she made 3 dresses. How much did she earn? This is as straightforward as it seems, I promise. So what would we do to figure out how much money she made?
85 times 3.
Yeah. She makes $85 per dress. She made 3 dresses. Double check my arithmetic. Yeah. She made $255 in a day. But I'm sure that's quite a bit of work, making 3 designer dresses. It's not like, Example 4. Tony picks strawberries and gets paid a piecework rate of 45 cents per container for the first 200 containers. And he receives 65 cents per container for every container over 200 that he picks. Last week, Tony picked 270 containers of strawberries. How much did he earn? So, we know for the first 200, how much does he get?
45 cents.
45 cents. So I'd write that as 0.45. What do we get?
$90.
Then, how much over 200 did he pick? Yeah, it was 270 in total, so that means 70 is over. And how much does he get for each of those 70 containers? Yeah, it says 65 cents per container, so that's 0.65. What did you get there? Oh, sorry. Yeah, good. 45.50. So I'm going to add that to the 90. That's $135